Welcome to Peaches and Cream, y'all. Today we're going to make Copycat Nilla Wafers. I love to use these when I make banana pudding, and they're super easy to make. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine 1 stick of soft butter and ½ cup of white sugar, and mix until thoroughly combined. The butter should be pretty much room temperature, but it shouldn't be melted. Add 1 large egg and break it up a little bit with your spoon or spatula, and then add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. The mixture will look very funny and curdled. That's perfectly fine, totally normal. Add 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of baking powder, and mix until thoroughly combined. The dough should be sticky, but it shouldn't be wet. Alright, so line a baking sheet with parchment paper. You can actually just grease the baking sheet. I like to use parchment paper because it makes cleanup easier, and I just love how it makes the cookies turn out. Divide your dough evenly. I'm using a small ice cream scoop to do this. Roll each little ball of dough between the palms of your hands. This step is optional. I just like to have my cookies very round and smooth. Bake the cookies for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're a beautiful light golden brown. This recipe should make about 3 dozen cookies, depending on the size that you make them. Just let the cookies cool in the pan for maybe a minute, and then remove them to a wire rack to cool completely. These cookies are light and crispy and have wonderful flavor. As I said, I love to use these cookies when making banana pudding. They make the best banana pudding in the world. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching.